If you are someone who needs a website but is confused about the terminology and basics related to it, don't worry, I am here to help you understand all the basic stuff related to websites and blogs. Hey everyone, this is Abhishek Sharma and you are tuned to Digital Abhi. If you are thinking why you need a website, I've already made a video on this. You can check it out in the I option above, and I also mentioned a link in the description. So, starting with the basics, let us first know what is a website. In the most layman language, a website is a collection of related web pages under one single domain. And a web page is simply a hypertext document on the World Wide Web. We will talk about domain also in a little bit. To make it more relatable, you can think of website like a book with lots and lots of pages. This book is a website in the internet world, and the pages are the web pages on it. And the name of the book is the name of your website. The difference is that a book has just text and image content, while a website can have all the kind of content you can think of. It can be text, image, video, audio, infographics, and any other stuff. In this particular video, I will discuss regarding domain name, hosting, DNS, CMS, and the creation of website. Let me clarify, the DNS and CMS, these are just acronyms for domain name system and content management system respectively. So let's first see what is a domain name. A domain name is the name of your website. It is then followed by an extension which can be .com, .in, .net, .org, .edu or any other extension. All the web pages of a website are under this single domain. The URL of your website now becomes https://yourdomainname.com or http://yourdomainname.com depending on the factor that your website has an SSL certificate or not. When your website has an SSL, the URL has HTTPS in it and has HTTP if it doesn't have an SSL certificate. SSL isn't just an acronym for Secure Socket Layer. It is better to have an SSL for a website as it increases the security of your website. There are various websites which provide free SSL. You can get one of these from Cloudflare. It is one of the reputed names in this sector. Let me give you a real life example with which you can easily relate. Imagine you are having a retail shop and this shop definitely has a name on it. A domain name is the name of your shop in the internet world. If you are thinking about the complications of getting a domain, believe me, it is as easy as buying any other thing online. I would recommend you to use Bluehost for buying a domain. Also, I have mentioned the link of Bluehost in the description to make the process more easy for you. It hardly takes a couple of minutes to buy a domain name here. So the next part is hosting for a website. A hosting is like a real life host. A hosting is just a server where you put all the content of your website. It's the space just like the memory card or the internal memory of your phone which is used to store information. Relating with the shop example, it is the area of land or the plot where you are going to build a shop. Or the other way around, it is the place which you rent out for your shop. You can get a quality hosting service from Bluehost. The reason I recommend Bluehost is because of their quality service at an affordable price. These guys are one of the oldest players in this industry. You have got the name and the space for a website. Now you need to address a domain to the server of the hosting. Here comes a DNS or domain name system in the role. It is just an intermediate which connects your domain name with your server. Whenever someone searches about you or a website or opens the link of a website, a request is sent to fetch the data. This request is sent to the server and server makes the data available to the user or the visitor on your website. You can edit the settings related to your domain through the DNS. Now you have addressed the name of the shop to the rented space or the rented area. Now you need to construct the shop, or if it is already constructed, you need to manage it and put some items in it. This work is done by CMS or content management system. Basically, a CMS is a tool with which you can create your amazing website without having any kind of technical knowledge. It also helps you to manage the content of your website. Generally, these CMS are provided by your hosting provider. Now the question is how you can create a website with the help of a content management system or the CMS. There are plenty of CMS like WordPress, Drupal, Joomla available on the internet right now. We will talk a lot about WordPress in the upcoming videos. Some other CMS like Wix.com are also available on the internet. You just need a few minutes and some clicks to set up these easy to use content management systems. The UI and accessibility of these CMS are so good that even 9th grade student can create his own website. For creating a website with content management system, you don't need any kind of coding or technical knowledge. Although you gain the skill and the knowledge on your way towards website development. And if you are new to this digital world, stay tuned to Digital Abhi. I will give my best to provide you some great content and information. Now, there are two ways through which you can create your own website. One is free and the other is paid. You can create your free website with WordPress, Wix, and plenty of other platforms. But the issue with free version is that you get a subdomain kind of thing. The name of your website will be something like yourdomain.wordpress.com or yourdomain.wix.com. Now I ask you a question. Does it look professional? You know the answer. It is good when you are new and you are just playing with the things, or you are trying some new stuff, or you are just testing out different things and aspects of this digital world. Although these platforms have the paid features also, through which you can remove the .wordpress.com or the .wix thing. But if you are someone who wants to build a brand, who wants to grow themselves, who wants an online presence, I would recommend you to go with the paid part of the digital world. The best thing is you can start with a very little amount, and this amount is like an initial investment for your brand, business, or idea. It is the push you give to your creative mind. Or what I say to everyone, it is a gift you give to yourself. We will discuss much more about free and paid versions of WordPress in the upcoming videos. But why WordPress? You will know it in the next video. Till the time, you can figure out what kind of domain and hosting you need for your website. I have mentioned the links to my social profiles in the description. In case you have any doubts or queries left, you can connect with me socially. I would love to help you. Also, make sure you subscribe to Digital Abhi so that you can stay updated with some valuable content and information. Also, give a thumbs up if your all doubts are cleared and you have some more knowledge than you had before watching this video.